Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm Sidram Saud and welcome to my channel. Friends, today we will learn the seventh part of speech, and that is conjunctions. Friends, conjunctions is a word that connects or joins clauses, words, phrases together in a sentence. Conjunctions are used to coordinate words in a sentence like but, although, while are some common conjunctions. There are some more conjunctions, that is but, and, yet, or, because, nor, although, since, unless, while, where, etc. All these are conjunctions. Let's look at but or and. The first one is but. We use but to show difference or opposite idea. Let's come to the example of but. We can raise the writing of pencil but not the writing of a pen. Here but is conjunction. Let's come to the next word, that is or. We use or to show a choice between two or more things. For example, what would you like to eat? Grapes or orange? Here or is conjunction. Let's come to the next one, that is and. We use and to combine similar ideas or add some information. For example, she bought bat and the ball. In this sentence, and is conjunction. Let's come to some more examples. You can write your paper with a pen or a pencil. Here or is conjunction. I sent him letter but he didn't respond. But is conjunction in this sentence. I went to a park where I saw flowers and frog. In this sentence, where is used as conjunction. She bought orange and grapes. In this sentence, and is used as conjunction word. They dance because they want to be dancers. In this sentence, because is conjunction. Let's come to the examples in our sentences. Here, the underlined words are conjunction. Moise wanted to ride his bike and he wanted to go to the park. Aisha did not like mangoes, but she loved apples. I play baseball, cricket, and football. In this sentence, and, but, and are conjunctions. A conjunction can be a single word or a group of words. The single word conjunctions are but, and, yet, because. All these are single word conjunction. Let's come to the example of single word conjunctions. The underlined words are conjunctions. She bought a shirt and a book. You can write your paper with a pen or a pencil. I sent him a letter, but he didn't respond. She laughed and entered into the room. He sings song because he wants to become a singer. You cannot succeed unless you worked sincerely. Compound conjunctions are as long as, even if, as well as, so that. All these are compound conjunctions. For example, you live a happy life as long as you think optimistically. I will not tell him the secret even if he insists a lot. He bought a laptop as well as a bag for it. Always speak the truth in order to avoid problems in life. He as well as I had gone to cinema. He came here so that you can meet him. So friends, this is video about the 7th part of speech, that is conjunction. If you like, then please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.